Now, bro, what you said to Yavo, man? I'm gonna tell you something about these Alabama artists, bro. They authentic, bro. Ain't no gimmicks coming up out of Alabama, bro. Like, if these boys focus on music, bro, they don't focus on music. We ain't trying to tie in the street and all that now. But I don't know what you said, but I'm just letting you know ahead of time. Like, these little niggas be some real street cats, man. And they be valued on my end when I see these boys come about the streets and be focused on their business, man. I brag on them not having no gimmick in this business, bro. Like, when I say that, I mean they ain't beefing with no nigga. You know what I'm saying? To get their attention. Like what he just said, bro. I promise you the niggas I ain't built like the other niggas that y'all probably used to, bro. But my thing is, man, you know, we gotta stop that shit, man, going back and forth with each other over nothing when we don't know nothing. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know nothing either. I just trying to see what the fuck you said, but I'm gonna figure it out when I.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about? Nigga, Yavo manager came up under me and MO3. She was around us every day, KC. I said the nigga ran out of flow because he ain't telling no stories. Just a run on hook in a song, not gonna get cut it no more. You gotta be able to tell a story. We don't know nothing about his mama, daddy, nothing like that. Where he was from, we don't even know what type of street he was from. So just them run off songs, fuck them. Yavo lost his spot to Big X because he wasn't telling no story. And y'all rappers is beefing with each other. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, Alabama rappers is beefing with each other. Alabama rappers is dissing each other. Alabama rappers is doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So that's happening anywhere. So, you know, ain't no nigga harder than the next nigga. But at the end of the day, Yavo ain't telling no stories.